Guard your thoughts with good education. ਗੁਰੂਆਂ ਪੀਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਚਰਨ ਛੋਹ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਧਰਤੀ ਤਖਤ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਦਮਦਮਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤਲਵੰਡੀ ਸਾਬੋ ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹਾ ਬਠਿੰਡਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਲ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਸੈਕੰਡਰੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਲਗਨ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਿੱਦਤ ਨਾਲ ਚਲਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਮਤੀ ਮਨਜੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਤੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਜ਼ੁਬਾਨੀ ਸੁਣੀਏ ਇਸ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਪਰਪੱਕ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਦਾਸਤਾਨ।
Every spectacular success starts from a scratch. This is an inspirational story of our Universal Public Senior Secondary School, Talwandi Sabo, Bathinda, Punjab.
UPS, my pride.
Founded in 1999 with a vivid vision of our respectable chairman sirs Sukhchand Singh Sidhu, who established the UPS with the unwavering commitment, striving hard towards excellence to inculcate quality education in nimble minds. The UPS was initially opened in 2 rooms, rented building with an enrollment of less than 100 students only. The UPS is affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi.
Standing our guiding force, our principal ma'am, Mrs. Manjeet Kaur Sidhu. Her story is one of the resilience and the perseverance. Starting her career in modest circumstances, she faced many challenges like limited resources, social expectation, personal struggles. Yet she never let those hurdles to stop her from chasing her passion for education.
She completed her graduation after her marriage. Now she is MA in 6 subjects: Hindi, Punjabi, History, Political Science, Philosophy and Sociology. She also earned professional master's degree in education. Through sheer determination and unwavering commitment, she not only carved space for herself but also opened doors for countless students, and especially for the younger girls to dream bigger as than ever before.
Many of us have witnessed her patience, her guidance and her care. Always ready with a smile, always ready to listen and always ready to lead by example. She is not just the head of the school, she is its heart.
UPS,
My pride.
Let us tour to the infrastructure of UPS.
Due to UPS family's diligence, dedication, determination, devotion and discipline, Student strength grew rapidly and steadily year after year from just 58 students to about 1800 students.
Goddess Ma Saraswati is divine symbol of art, music, knowledge, wisdom and intellectuality.
Good morning to all of you. All classes stand up.
Attention! Stand at ease! Attention!
Ready for school prayer? Say a prayer. National anthem begin. All students take proper position for taking pledge. We, the students of UPS, pledge that we shall possess faith in high moral values. All classes sit down.
Now I invite Anant from class 9 to deliver her speech.
Childhood is a golden period of every person's life. Children need love, care for their growth and development. About thousands of children work in the harmful industry.
It's time for today's headlines.
First headline, Jadeja set to feature in Saurashtra's Ranji fixture.
Now I request our Honorable Chairman sir to please come forward and share some words with us.
Respected teachers and my dear students, wish you a very good morning. Today I will tell you the importance of the time. As we say, time is precious. Time is everything. Time once gone can't be recalled. So you can buy anything but you can't buy time. So the student, the teacher, any person who values and gives the importance to the time is always successful, always values the time, and timely mending saves much spending. We say stitch in time saves 9. So always respect the time if you want to be successful in your life. Thank you.
Thank you sir for your precious words.
The students' safety and security are our topmost priority. To ensure the well-being of students, self-occupied first aid facilities is always on standby. For transportation of students from far-flung areas are piled with safety, reliability and comfortably. For parents' convenience, there are different rooms like reception, clerk office and admin block.
Now, move to watch the routine activities of the school.
गणतंत्र दिवस, शिक्षक दिवस या फिर सांस्कृतिक मेले, हर अवसर पर हमारे विद्यार्थी बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लेते हैं और अपनी कला से सबका दिल जीत लेते हैं। हमारे कार्यक्रमों में समाज के लोग भी शामिल होते हैं, जिससे स्कूल और समाज का रिश्ता और गहरा होता है। UPS माई प्राइड।
In UPS, every classroom is a vibrant learning hub. Our school has well-equipped laboratories for physics.
Today we will learn to determine the distance of wire, plotting a graph between potential difference versus current. This is actually related to Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law?
And what are we determining?
We learn to determine the resistance of a wire, plotting a graph between potential difference versus current.
Chemistry, biology, and computer science.
Students, today I am going to elaborate my topic for the parts of flower. Look at this flower. These green leaves like structure is called sepal.
A treasure of knowledge with reading habits awaits in the library. UPS listening and grammar labs with art gallery. Provide students to adapt them as per for global obligations. UPS my pride.
Good afternoon to all. May I have your attention please? UP's family is requested to stand up to say the afternoon prayer with closed eyes.
Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. And thank you, God, for everything.
It's a crawling playground. UPS my pride.
After tiredness, each and every student wait for lunch break in school with eager mood. A lunch break provides them enough time to relax and refreshment and regain more energy to grab more education.
UPS My Pride!
Sports and indoor games facilities encourage every child to learn teamwork and discipline.
UPS My Pride!
Apart from sports and academics, the high-tech stage of co-curricular creativity is the most suitable platform for exposing the hidden talents of our versatile students. From art to music, dance to drama, our UPS believes in bestowing each and every student an ample opportunity to expose their unique talents. UPS My Pride.
A vast and lush green campus. UPS stands as a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. A tranquil and serene student-friendly environment, enchanting, charming, different parks named after freedom fighters and saints to help inspire students joyfully and peacefully. UPS My Pride.
Our UPS classrooms are like holistic places where curiosity meets creativity, where every question or query welcome with utmost care and cheerfully. To eradicate the test phobia, the regular and routine oral and written tests to certify the academic brilliance of our lovely young minds. The permanent PTM room is provided to the individual parents to ensure all-round development of the wards on the routine basis. Year after year, our students are engaging to bring laurels to their alma mater, and parents are capturing admirable percentage with top position in both classes. UPS My Pride.
Our worthy faculty members are more than just teachers. They are ethical mentors, analytical guides and stimulating, uplifting motivators. Behind every successful day at the school, the main credit goes to our ever smiling and ever helping staff. Their rich contribution may not always be seen on the stage, but it is felt in every heartbeat in UPS, in every nook and corner. UPS My Pride.
One of the strongest pillars of our school is its dynamic student council.
UPS My Pride!
At school, our academic excellence is not just a goal, it's a shared commitment. Our Honorable Chairman Sir and Principal Ma'am attend the lectures of board classes every day, ensuring that teaching and learning remain at the highest standards.
Good afternoon, students. Are you happy? Moral values are the most important in our life. What are the most important in our life? Moral values. Without moral values, our life is just like a car that is out of control, can meet with an accident anytime. So that our life is very precious.
We are proud to have such visionary leaders who create pathways of excellence for every learner.
Today we will discuss about why the Indian government adopted the parliamentary system. Leaders had a lot of knowledge and earlier experience with the parliamentary system, and due to the geographical condition of India and cultural variation, Indian government adopted a parliamentary system to satisfy the citizen. Okay. What are the neighboring country of India?
The neighboring countries of India are Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka.
Students, tell me what are the main pillars of parliament?
Legislature, executive, judiciary, and fourth, media.
Our school is such a lovely and lively place where creativity finds its true expression. Our UPS faculty, administrative staff and students led by respected head Sardar Sukhchand Singh Sidhu is exceptionally prodigious. He is blessed with an artistic soul. His beautiful wall paintings, display of knowledgeable facts in all blocks, artistic genius, highlighted with colorful pieces of chalks on flags is a true spirit of his emotional commitment with students' bright future. It is a living example of his idealistic vision, rational thoughts and perceptive emotions.
His beautiful handwriting, calligraphy and his treasure of knowledge. Love for gardening and cogent teaching inspire everyone to see a unique and broad perspective of life and nature. UPS scholars are following and adopting his attributes to a rich legacy with great enthusiasm. UPS My Pride.
Our school chairman is a versatile personality who is a disciplinarian, punctual, well qualified, and efficient English teacher, painter, calligrapher, poet, excellent administrator, and a role model for our UPS family.
His everyday English course teaches more than a book. He opines that education is not for individual successful life but for a successful society as a whole. Our school magazines are a reflection of thoughts. Its each edition captures the essence of school life, the laughter, learning and the joy of every student. UPS My Pride.
Let us know the motive of school from its Honorable Chairman Sir Sukhchand Singh Sidhu.
And that's very great, sir. So, sir, I want to know that what's your opinion about UPS?
I take great pleasure and pride for providing the erudite educations to my students and shaping their destiny with utmost care.
That's a very thoughtful perspective, sir.
Thank you.
And I agree that UPS plays a vital role in maintaining the education quality. So, sir, what do you think about the educational goal of this school?
The education goal of our school is to focus upon the all-round development of our lovely students, and we all are committed to develop them intellectually, morally, educationally, and socially and academically.
But that question is that, sir, how do you teach your teachers and the students to achieve this goal?
Actually, I want to become a teacher in my life, so that it is always my best to try to motivate my teachers to become the role model. And as we say that instead of giving an example, we should become an example of hard work, honesty, discipline, punctuality, and humility and humanity. That is my main purpose of my life.
And this is the example of a good leadership and strong leadership.
Thank you.
Say
that is the grace of God.
Our head takes the initiative to impart general knowledge to every teacher and student through the digital audio system installed in every classroom. In the morning assembly daily, he has beautifully expressed deep knowledge, insight, foresight, vision and proficient experience through the poetical book Global Bloom, authored and composed with an earnest dedication. UPS my pride.
The presence of our UPS founder taking round is more than a routine since last more than 30 years. He has been teaching students tirelessly, relentlessly, perseverancely. He is a source of optimistic inspiration that reminds everyone leadership means working alongside those who lead with missionary spirit. UPS, my pride.
First of all, greetings to all of you. Myself Khushpinder Singh, the past year head boy of Universal Senior Secondary School Talwandi Sabo. I would like to thank our chairman Sir Sardar Sukhchand Singh Ji Sidhu, Principal Ma'am Mrs. Manjeet Kaur Ji Sidhu, Vice Principal Ma'am Ramandeep Kaur for giving me a great chance for the whole year, for showing my talent, and also thanks for giving me a focus and guidance for my future. UPS, my pride.
It is the routine of our intelligent students to write word meaning, proverb, idiom, GK and quote of Chairman Sir on board with colorful chalk beautifully.
Our school believes firmly that competition is not about defeating opponent but about building self-confidence. Our students actively and enthusiastically participate in inter-house competition, inter-school heritage quizzes, debate competition and artist activities. UPS, my pride.
Our school takes pride in meaningful initiatives like tree plantation drive. Wellness seminars, and yearly educational tours and treats, our students leave behind a trail of excellence and unforgettable knowledgeable memories of Octopus, Talent Hunt and annual sport meet. UPS, my pride.
ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਖੇਡਾਂ ਦੇ ਖੇਤਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤੀਆਂ ਸ਼ਲਾਘਾਯੋਗ ਹਨ। ਖੇਡਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਿਹਤਮੰਦ ਜੀਵਨ, ਆਪਸੀ ਤਾਲਮੇਲ ਅਤੇ ਅਨੁਸ਼ਾਸਨ ਸਿਖਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ। ਸਾਡੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਬੱਡੀ, ਵਾਲੀਬਾਲ, ਬਾਸਕਟਬਾਲ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਖੇਡਾਂ ਲਈ ਵਧੀਆ ਸੁਵਿਧਾਵਾਂ ਉਪਲਬਧ ਹਨ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਸ਼ਤਰੰਜ, ਲੂਡੋ, ਟੇਬਲ ਟੈਨਿਸ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਖਾਸ ਸਥਾਨ ਉਪਲਬਧ ਹੈ। ਸਾਡੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹਾ, ਰਾਜ ਅਤੇ ਰਾਸ਼ਟਰੀ ਪੱਧਰ ਤੱਕ ਆਪਣਾ ਲੋਹਾ ਮਨਵਾ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਨ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਮੈਡਲ ਅਤੇ ਟਰਾਫੀਆਂ ਹਾਸਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਰੌਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। UPS, my pride.
UPS yoga practice classes are the best way to reduce stress and anxiety.
ਸਾਡੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਲਗਾਵ ਹੈ। ਇੱਥੇ ਹਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ, ਪਹਿਚਾਣ ਅਤੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰਕ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ।
UPS, my pride. Hello, I am Dr. Lakhvinder Kaur Sidhu, mother of Nimrit Sidhu, who is in 7th standard in this school. The school staff, management deserves great appreciation for shaping the young minds holistically, not only through studies but also through wonderful exposure to extracurricular activities. This school in the area where excellence meets comprehensive progress, inspiring teachers, creative opportunities, safe environment make it a second home for the students. I wish a great success to UPS. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Nimrit Sidhu, student of 7th standard. My school is a temple of knowledge where dreams take flight.
The guidance of our teacher make learning a joyful learning. I am proud to be Universians. UPS, my pride.
Being head girl last year was one of the rewarding experience of my life. It taught me responsibility, leadership and importance of teamwork. I have learned true leadership means serving others with kindness. I am thankful to my teachers and friends for their trust and support. I will never forget this memory in my journey.
Warm greetings everyone. I feel proud to be the part of UPS family. Here all the teachers have been very supportive. I wish this UPS family grows like this and nurtures such great minds in the future also.
I feel lucky to be the part of this institution. I want to thank my teachers who provide me so many opportunities for developing myself in academics as well as other curriculum activities.
I feel truly blessed to be a part of this institute where knowledge, education and values come together to shape a better future.
ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਜੀ ਮਾਪੇ ਇੱਕ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਨਮ ਦੇਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ। ਅਸਲ ਤਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਮਾਪੇ ਟੀਚਰ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਜੋ 3 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 18 ਸਾਲ ਤੱਕ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਭਵਿੱਖ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ।
ਅਸੀਂ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਇਹੀ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਲ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਦਿਨ ਦੁਗਣੀ ਰਾਤ ਚੌਗਣੀ ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਹੇ, ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਭਵਿੱਖ ਬਣਾਉਂਦਾ ਰਹੇ।
ਅਸੀਂ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਲ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੋਂ ਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੈਟੀਸਫਾਈ ਹਾਂ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਸਿਸਟਰ ਪੜ੍ਹੀ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਉੱਚੇ ਅਹੁਦਿਆਂ 'ਤੇ ਗਈ। ਫਿਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਆ ਜੀ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮੇਰੀਆਂ ਬੇਟੀਆਂ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਜੋਬ ਮਿਲ ਗਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ। ਅਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਮੇਰੇ ਭਤੀਜੇ ਹੈ, ਪੋਤੇ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਕੂਲ 'ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਾਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਜੀ।
ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਚੰਗਾ ਸਟਾਫ ਹੈ। ਇੱਥੋਂ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਅਹੁਦਿਆਂ 'ਤੇ ਗਏ ਅਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵਧੀਆ ਘਰ ਵਰਗਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ।
UPS pass out students are the most precious treasure of our UPS family.
Today, UPS has been reputed as one of the most preferred and favored temples of learning, nurturing thousands rural students of middle class families. Our successful alumni have spread across the world are an exemplary proof of our school's rich legacy. Doctors, teachers, engineers, artists, entrepreneurs, and successful businessmen, wherever they are spreading UPS fragrance efficiently and intellectually in their respective fields.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Parneet Sidhu and I am a dermatologist, a skin specialist, and I can proudly say that I belong to Universal Public School family. The exposure and the confidence I gained here built my foundation strong. From stage performances to the paper presentation, UPS taught me how to express myself without any hesitation.
Hi, I am Aarti, an alumna of Universal Public Senior Secondary School. I and my 3 brothers completed our education from this school, and today we all are doing well in our respective fields. I have recently qualified UGC NET JRF with 99.8 percentile, and all of my 3 brothers are successful businessmen. The education and the values we received at this school have significantly impacted our journeys and our achievements, and we all take immense pride in being a part of this institution's legacy.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Sharma. I'm currently a 3rd year medical student. I would like to express my thanks to all the teachers and mentors of Universal Public Senior Secondary School Talwandi Sabo.
Samandeep Singh, Manager, Punjab and Sindh Bank. Today I'm on this post by virtue of my startings initials that have been started from Universal Public Senior Secondary School from the class UKG. First is the adoption of most competitive environment. Second is the discipline. Third is the cultural activities and the handwriting skill.
Sat Shri Akal everyone, मैं Captain Asdeep and I am an alumnus of Universal Public School. Honestly speaking, UPS was the most beautiful chapter of my life. ਇਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਨੇ ਕੇਵਲ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿਖਾਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ, ਬਲਕਿ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਜੀਣਾ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇਸੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਨੇ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ। ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਵੇਖਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਅਸੈਂਬਲੀਜ਼, ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੋਸਤ, ਹੰਬਲ ਸ਼ੋ ਤੇ ਕੈਂਟੀਨ ਦੀ ਮਸਤੀ ਉਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਯਾਦ ਨੇ। ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਆਰਮੀ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਹਾਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਹੁਣ ਯੂਨੀਫਾਰਮ 'ਚ ਆ ਗਈ ਬਟ ਜੋ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਸਕੂਲ ਨੇ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਡਿਸਪਲਿਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਡੈਡੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਾਂ ਓਨੈਸਟੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਨੇ। ਬਾਕੀ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਯੋਰ ਈਚ ਐਂਡ ਐਵਰੀ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਸਕੂਲ। I would like to thank UPS for shaping who I am today and I'm extremely proud to be a part of this wonderful family. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Hi everyone, I am Prakash Sidhu. I study at Universal Public School from kindergarten to high school. Then I went to IIT for my bachelor's and I got full scholarship for my master's in the USA. Currently I am working as an engineer at a multinational company and I am very, very thankful and grateful to whole UPS staff who played a major role in my growth and my journey. And my advice to all the young students is always believe in yourself, work hard, respect everyone, stay humble because that has worked for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Balkar Singh, a proud alumni of Universal Public School. I am currently working as a software engineer and I owe a big part of my success to this wonderful school. I joined Universal Public School in the early years of my schooling. The teachers here don't just focus on academics, they inspired us to dream big, think independently and believe in ourselves.
Hello everyone, we have studied in Universal Public School Talwandi Sabbo. We are proud that we have the alumni of this institution.
Teachers inspired us not only to work hard but also we learned from them many values and we are now successful businessmen and we are grateful to our teachers and this institution. Thank you.
The UPS management is determined to move ahead with full confidence, making it sure that each and every student grows a knowledgeable personality and becomes a responsible global citizen.
UPS,
My pride.
Thanks for watching UPS documentary.